to the Luo English Dictionary channel where you learn Luo in our videos. Oyaore, arwaki embui mar loko Kisungu obed dholuo. Akwayo ni mondo iluwa. Subscribe sani. So you can subscribe now if you want to know what subscribe sani means in English. So today we are going to be learning about opposites. I did some research about opposites in Luo. So yeah, today's video is going to be about opposites. And today I'm going to be doing it without my dad, even though he is behind the camera. Opposites. Yao, open. Yao, open. Lor, close. Roll, close. Do you know that you can even practice this with someone else or with yourself while you're doing some activities? Tech, difficult. Tech, difficult. Yacht, easy. Yacht, easy. Chako, beginning, or it can also mean start. Chako, beginning. Giko, end. Giko, end. Pio, pio, fast. Pio, fast. Most, slow. Most, slow. Bear, good. Bear, good. Rach, bad. Rach, bad. Odiochieng, day. Odiochieng, day. Otieno, night. Otieno, night. Otuo, dry. Otuo, dry. Ngich, wet. Ngich, wet. Liet, hot. Liet, hot. Ngich, cold. Ngich, cold. Did you know that ngich has two meanings? It can either mean wet or cold. Duong, big. Duong, big. Tin, small. Tin, small. Malo, up. Malo, up. Pin, down. Pin, down. If you would like to pronounce some of these words, for example, pin, then you can go check out our video. It's going to be somewhere up here. Bor, tall. Bor, tall. Do you know that bor can also mean far? Chiek, short. Chiek, short. So those were all of the sheets. We can review now. Bor, chiek. Malo, pin. Duong, tin. Liet, ngich. Otuo, ngich. Odiochieng, Remember, audio chain is there even though if it's a long word. Audio chain, day, otieno, night. Oh, you can also check the times of the day video. It might pop up here somewhere. Bear, good. Rach, bad. Pio, fast. Mos, slow. Chaco, beginning or start. Giko, end. Take, difficult. Take, difficult. Yacht, easy. Yacht, easy. Yao, open. Yao, open. Lor, close. Lor, close. So those are all the papers. And yes, those are all the papers. I'm going to finish up. If you liked or enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. Remember, we need some questions so we can do a Q&A video, question and answers video to all your questions, if you have some questions. So for now, Oriti, goodbye.